As your team gets bigger and bigger, team cohesion is so important. Like, you want to be able to make sure that your team is tight, strong, and you sort of build something like the Avengers, and you want to make sure that you guys could crush any single problem together just because your teamwork and cohesion is just so strong. And that's exactly what we're going to be talking about in today's video. Team cohesion. So number one, you want to establish clear objectives. Establish both group and individual goals for each team member is very important. All team members must understand the company's objective, and this makes sure that they're motivated to continually work towards your company's goal and achieving it. Next is metrics. You want to have metrics that allow team members to evaluate their performance and the connection between their work and key business indicators. Next is size. As the size of a group increases, it becomes more and more challenging to agree on different issues. So it's much more difficult to get 30 members to agree on one common goal than it is to convince 10 members. So keep your group small, just like Jeff Bezos does. Limit your group and teams to a size that can be fed with 2 pizzas. Next is repetition. Having consistent meetings to ensure that everyone is still working towards the same goal and adjust as needed. So repetition and constantly telling your company, telling your team members what your company's visions are, why you guys are doing things is super important. Growth. You want to sort of allow team members to make rooms for decision, give them room to make mistakes and fail, because that's the only way for you guys to grow as a company. Have an open culture where there's easy access to relevant information and senior management as needed. So I let everyone have direct access to me. Next is delegating authority to some of the team members also helps with cohesion, because group members are more likely to work cohesively when they feel like they have ownership of certain issues or activities being proposed. Next is time. The more time team members are working together, their sort of teamwork and bonds just grow over time. Through more interaction between members of your team, you'll be able to easily and faster learn each team member's weaknesses and strengths. This way, team leaders or you as a director can sort of delegate tasks based on team members' abilities, strengths, and weaknesses to get tasks accomplished more efficiently. Lastly, celebration. Building a strong team also requires expression of positive emotions such as gratitude, admiration, when exceeding expectation. You want to recognize individuals and teams' achievements, because this not only fortifies the team's identity, but it also spotlights the effectiveness of different team members' sort of skills. And when you're congratulating and celebrating someone's achievement, they're going to double down on doing what they're doing that works. So you want to do it because 1, you want to celebrate after you win. 2, you want to let the person know that what they're doing right now works and it's in the right direction. And 3, it will really boost the team morale and let everyone grow at a much faster rate and increase team cohesion. So yeah, that's a PowerPoint on team cohesion. As always, if you guys want these slides, they're completely for free in the description below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. This is definitely something that I'm working on and I'm learning. I just want to pass on all the things I learned so you guys get a head start on every single thing and all the mistakes that I go through. But yeah, question of the day. With your previous 9 to 5s or your previous jobs, what helped the most when it comes to boosting team morale? When I was working at McDonald's, they had like this board showing all the top team members of each month. That definitely helped motivate me and other people to sort of strive to be the employee of the month. So that definitely helped. Let me know what your companies or jobs did or what you guys do in your own business to help boost team morale. Other than that, let's announce this video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting course with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, what to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button. I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching the channel. I really appreciate all the support. And I just want to say thank you. I'll be seeing you guys somewhere with much more value. Peace.